What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky, and today we're gonna learn how to play Can You Feel the Love Tonight from the movie The Lion King on the good old uke. As always, if you do like these videos, make sure you give a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video or go live right here on the YouTube channel. 70% of people that watch my videos and come back and watch more of my videos have not hit the red subscribe button, so please don't be part of that 70%. Come join the Potato Squad and hit that red subscribe button. It will turn gray. It's free to join, so why not? But let's go ahead and talk about the chords that we need. These are the chords that you need for this song. There are 9 chords in total. If you're like, Ricky, I know these chords already, let's move on. Let's go into the strumming patterns. Well, you can just go and skip ahead right here. I'll put a timestamp on a video or in the description as well. You can skip ahead to whatever section that you need. But if you're like, Ricky, I just started learning the uke, I don't know all the chords, or I need a refresher, well, this is what tutorial videos are for. We're gonna go step by step where to put your fingers on the uke for each chord right in a second, and then we'll move on to the strumming pattern. And again, the full play along video is already live, again, linked down below. But let's go ahead and talk about these chords. Alright, so now that you're zoomed in and you have a better view of the uke, the strings, and my beautiful fingers, let's go ahead and talk about the chords that we need for this song. As always, I will have a visual representation on screen where you're going to put your fingers on the uke. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then also have me talk you through it. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and talk about the first chord that we need, which is the A minor chord. How we're going to play this one is you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. So it's going to be right here. And that's going to sound like this. The next chord that we need is the A chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your middle finger like we did for the A minor. You're going to place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and then you're going to take your pointer finger and place it on the 3rd string, 1st fret. So it's going to look like this, and it's going to sound like this. The next chord that we need is the B minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger over all 4 strings on the 2nd fret, and you're going to press it down. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 4th fret. So it's going to look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret, so it's going to look like that, and it should sound like this. Awesome. The next chord is going to be the D chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And then you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. So your fingers are occupying the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings on the 2nd fret. And it should sound like this. The next chord is going to be the D minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord is one of my favorites, which is the E minor chord, and how I always say it looks like a staircase going down. How we're going to play this one is you take your pointer finger, you place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret, then you take your middle finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and finally take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And the last chord, but definitely not the least chord, is the G chord. And how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And it should look like this. And it should sound like this. And there you have it. So those were all the chords that we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, press the pause button right now or rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on. And then as soon as the chords sound crisp and clear, press play and let's talk about the strumming patterns that we're going to use throughout this song coming up next. All right, so now that we know the chords that we need, let's go ahead and talk about the strumming pattern that we're going to use throughout the entire song. As always, I will teach you a couple different ways you can play this song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago. I ain't got time or even the want to learn a strumming pattern right now. It's going to literally give me a headache if I try to learn a strumming pattern. I got you. So the first way is going to be a simple way, but also an awesome sounding way. It's just going to be a single down strum. So you're going to strum down with your thumb. You're going to strum on all 4 strings. And then as soon as you see a new chord change, you're just going to strum down again. So again, the downloadable PDF chord sheet for this song, which is the full lyrics and chords, you can download that on Patreon. Again, link for that will be down below, or you can follow along with the play along video, which is also linked down below. But let's again talk about the down strum. So again, it's just going to sound like this. Can you feel the love tonight? The peace the evening brings. So you're just going to strum down. And it's going to sound amazing. Actually, I kind of do like this down strum because it kind of like simplifies it and strips it down and makes it just sound that much epic and more emotional, honestly, because the last line is like, and if he falls in love tonight, it can be assumed. It just sounds so good with the down strum. So if you want to switch with the strumming pattern and down strum in the song, that is also a great option. So the second way that we can play this song is going to be with an actual strumming pattern, and also how I played it in the play along video. Again, link down below. Make sure you're going to watch that video after you watch this. It's going to be with a strumming pattern, and that strumming pattern is a down, down, up, up, down, up. So let's do that one more time in 3, 2, 1. Down, down, up, down, up. Let's do that one more time. We got this in 3, 2, 1. Down, down, up, down, up. So again, that strumming pattern is just going to be a down, down, up, down, up. You're going to do that strumming pattern once for every chord. And when you see a new chord change, you're just going to redo it. So you're just going to do that strumming pattern throughout the entire song. So it will kind of sound like this. Can you feel the love tonight? The evening brings. So you're just going to do that strumming pattern of a down, down, up, down, up, and it'll sound absolutely amazing. And again, that is how I played it in the play along. But also, I'll give you a little bit of a spicier variation of strumming pattern that you can add, which is going to be with a chuck. So that strumming pattern that we just learned of the down, down, up, down, up. You can add a chuck to that strumming pattern. It's going to be a down, chuck, up, chuck, up. And if you're like, Ricky, what is a chuck? You're basically just muting the strings when you strum it down. So if you want to learn how to chuck, I do have a full dedicated tutorial video for that. I'll link it up here right now. It's going to say how to chuck video. Make sure to go watch that if you do want to learn how to chuck. I think it just adds a little bit extra layer of spice into your strumming. So again, the regular strumming pattern is a down, down, up, down, up. Or the strumming pattern with the chuck is a down. So again, that strumming pattern without chuck is, and strumming pattern with chuck is. So again, you can choose which one you want to do. The single down strum, the strumming pattern without chuck, or with chuck. So those are awesome options. But either option, you're going to sound absolutely amazing. All right, so we learned how to chuck and a couple different ways you can play the song on the uke. Congratulations, you now know how to play Can You Feel the Love Tonight from the movie The Lion King on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Remember, don't be part of that 70% that watches these videos without subscribing. It's free. Click that red subscribe button. It will turn gray. Join the potato squad. Come on. Come. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke that you're playing in this video? Well, this is the orange Nova U concert ukulele from Enya. It's absolutely amazing. As you can tell, I'm kind of a fan. Hint, hint, I do love these ukes. I think they're awesome. The design is so cool. It's a thin-bodied uke, and it also is very sturdy, so you can literally take it anywhere. It's an awesome travel size uke, and it's also very lightweight. And what's also most important, which is for the consumer, you guys, is that it is literally not that expensive. I think they go on sale sometimes and they're below 80 bucks. So for a concert size uke, and that looks like this, and that you have choices of colors, that's a pretty good steal. I'm not gonna lie. But again, I'll leave a link down below for the Amazon page in the top of the comments, and also in the description of this video. Also talking about links in the description. Make sure to check that out because it does have links for the merch. Currently wearing the Uke Fam hoodie and hat, which is the logo for this channel. Links also for the Patreon, where you can download the PDF chord sheet for the song, which is the full lyrics and chords of the song. Links to the play along video, again, will be down below, and also links to all of my merch and links to my socials. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM letting me know what video you came from, and also please leave a comment below letting me know if you like these Disney videos, if you like these tutorials. If you like me, please say you do, because I am fragile sometimes and I need some nice words said to me once in a while. But yeah, other than that, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.